Students, this is our craft period and today's topic is lantern. So you required very few material and this material you will get in house only. Okay, so let us start. It's lantern. You required 4 pieces, 9 inch by total 13 inch, 11 plus 2, and this kite paper 8 by 10 inch. So you required two pieces. Here this box pieces like this folded. Okay, it is already folded. So here 9 inch and total 13 inch. So here 2 inches and total is now here 11 inch. Okay, so you required 4 pieces. This board pieces 4. So here opposite colors, kite paper 10 inch by 8 inch. Two pieces you required, any two opposite colors. Okay, 10 by 8 inch. Okay, so you required flat brush, a scale, then compass, scissor, stapler, eraser. You required lace. You can made a paper lace also. These cuttings. Okay, this diya cutting. Okay, now see the 2 inches here, 2 inches, and like this fold. It is already folded. Now here 11 inch. Okay, and here 9 inch, 11 by 9. Okay, so I have cut this design. You can see here, leave some distance four side. Here I 1.5 distance, here 1 inch, here also 1.5, and downside also 1 inch. So you can cut rectangle or design. Suppose uh, you made it beautiful, so you cut this design. Okay, like this cut, then four part, upper part, here some design like this. You can cut your own design, arrange it properly, but leave some distance four side, leave some 1 inches distance four side. And this part, this opposite part, opposite means back side part, you can stick here this kite paper. Okay, apply some little glue like this and just lightly press this paper, arrange properly first and then stick it. You can cut rectangle, full rectangle also, or design also if you want design. Okay, just light press here. After that, see, looking like this. After that, this diya shape you can stick here in middle. Apply glue. First arrange like this. Okay, see, arrange in middle and then stick there. You can stick it properly. You can draw another design like this diya, then swastik, then another flowers you can cut and stick there. Lightly, do not press more here. Okay, just arrange properly and stick it here in middle. See, like this. After that it will look beautiful. Like this you can stick another second part. Okay, arrange properly and stick there back side like this. Another third part, yellow part, and stick there. This was stick back side. This you stick properly, ulta part, back side part. Okay, so it will coming proper in size. Okay, see, like this you can stick that kite part, kite paper, and press properly, lightly press here. Okay, now the you have made pink color two pieces and yellow color two pieces. Okay, now first take pink color and then nearby this yellow part, arrange properly and stick with masking tape or cello tape. Big cello tape you required. Press it properly, children. Okay, this first part and second part. Now the third part, again pink color, like this, arrange properly, arrange it like this and stick with masking tape. Okay, like this, press it, and again third part. So you will get this box here, and upper part stick with Fevicol, and after that you can staple here, so it will tight. After that, whole four side, upper part, then you can color it. I have this metal color, golden color, so I will apply here, four side same. Okay, and with the white color draw any design. Okay, this cutting part I have to use upside here, like this, hole in middle for the bulb. Apply Fevicol and stick there. Like this. Cutting part you can use this four side you can hold there, and with the sutli or any thread you can hang this lantern. Both another side also. with this scissor, insert it and knot back side. Like this your lantern is ready now. After that, this lace you can staple here properly. First arrange it neatly and then staple it. See, like this your lantern is ready. You can color any color, any. I have this golden color, so I use here. You can color any type. See, like this nice lantern you're ready. You can arrange another design, children. This diya, see, looking beautiful. Okay, see, four side. This corner you can stick there any lace you have. Otherwise looking beautiful like this. So children, complete your lantern and show it to me. Okay, so bye.